Hello viewers, I am Maitli. Today we are going to see 8th Cbse Maths linear equation in one variable exercise 2.1 question number 1. Let's see the question. Solve the following equations. So we are going to solve the following equations means we need to find the value for the variables given in the question. That is, we are going to find the variables means it is alphabets. Now in the first sum it's given as x minus 2 is equal to 7. Here the variable is x, so we need to find the x value. To find the x value, bring all the numbers with x to the other side. So here we know it is x minus 2 is equal to 7, minus 2 is the number with x means bring this number to the other side, that is to the right hand side of this equal to. It is in the left hand side, bring it to the right hand side of the equal to. So minus will go as a plus, plus will go as a minus, multiply will go as a divide, divide will go as a multiply. Now minus 2, if it goes to the side, it becomes plus 2. So x is equal to 7 plus 2. Minus will go as a plus. 7 plus 2 means just add it, x is equal to 9. So the value for x in the sum is x is equal to 9. We'll move on to the second one. Second one, y plus 3 is equal to 10. The same way, the number with y is here plus 3. If plus 3 goes to the side, it goes as a minus 3. So y is equal to 10 minus 3, y is equal to 7. Now for the sum, third sum, 6 is equal to z plus 2. Here z is a variable which is in this side, so don't move it. Move the number with z. So now if I bring 2 to the side, it comes as minus. So 6 minus 2 is equal to z. So z will be equal to 4. So we can write z is equal to 4. 4 is equal to z or z is equal to 4. Both are same. As we want the number variable value, so z is equal to 4. Now fourth sum, 3 by 7 plus x is equal to 17 by 7. The number with x, bring it to the other side. X is equal to 17 by 7 minus 3 by 7. Here we can solve the numerator because the denominator value is the same. So x is equal to, this will become 14 by 7. 17 minus 3 is 14. So 14 by 7. Now we can cancel this 2. It goes in 7 tables. 7 2s are 14. So x is equal to 2 is the answer for the fourth sum. If anything with cancel or anything we can simplify, we need to simplify and show the answer. If you leave it as it is, they will not give you full marks. Now we'll move on to the fifth sum. In fifth sum it's given as 6x is equal to 12. Here 6 is multiplied with x. So here we know that 6 is in multiplication. If it is in multiplication, it goes as a divide. The divide goes as a multiply. The multiply will go as a divide. Here 6x means 6 into x. So the x will go 6 will go as a divide. Here when 6 goes as a divide or if it goes as a multiply, we should not change the sign. Only in addition subtraction we need to change the sign. Here it goes as a multiply or divide. There is no change in the sign. Just bring it in divide. Now we can cancel. It goes in 6 tables. So x is equal to 2. Now we'll move on to the sixth sum. Sixth sum here, t by 5 is equal to 10. Here 5 is in divide. Divide will go as a multiply. So the denominator will go to the numerator. The numerator will come to the denominator. So here it goes as a multiply, means it goes in the numerator. Numerator in multiplication, just multiply and write t equal to 50 is your answer for the sixth sum. We'll move on to the seventh one. 2x by 3 equal to 18. Now divide will goes as a multiply and multiply will comes as a divide. So x is equal to 18. The denominator will go to the numerator as multiply. The multiplied part of the numerator will come to the denominator. So remember, 3 will goes as a multiply and 2 will comes as a divide. Now here we know we can cancel. Instead of multiplying, we know we can cancel 2 and 18. If anything we can simplify, just simplify, then multiply. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18. Now x is equal to 27. 9 3s are 27. Now we'll move on to the next sum. Here 1.6 is equal to y by 15. Here 15 is in denominator. I want to move the number with the y, so y will come to this side as a multiplication because it is in the divide. So just think in that way that the denominator will come to the numerator. So 1.6 into 15 is equal to y. We'll multiply and check. 1.6 into 15. 5 6 are 30, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 8, here 16. If we add, it becomes 240. Now a number, we need to keep a point, we need to see how many decimal point. After decimal point there is only one number, that is the after decimal point there is only one number, means from the last. If there is no decimal point, the point is here, only one number we need to move the decimal point. So the decimal point will come here, so it becomes 24. So y is equal to 24 is your answer for the sum. We'll move on to the next sum, 9 sum. Here in the 9 sum, the question here is 7x minus 9 is equal to 16. Here one is in multiply. For multiply and divide we can bring both the numbers simultaneously, but here one is in multiply, other one is in minus, means first the minus or plus number, if it's here, we need to bring it to the other side, then the multiply and divide. Here minus will come to the first, so 7x is equal to 16 minus 9 will become plus 9. Now add it. 7x is equal to 25. Now x is equal to the multiplied part, that is in numerator part, will come to the denominator. So it becomes 25 by 7. So x is equal to 25 by 7 is your answer for the sum. Now we'll move on to the 10th one. The same way, 14y minus 8 is equal to 13. First we need to bring the subtraction part to that side. So 14y will remain the same, is equal to 13 plus 8. This becomes 21. So 14y will become is equal to 21. I want y value, means bring 14 to the other side. Here 14, it is in multiply, will goes as a divide. So y is equal to 21 divided by 14. We can leave the sum as it is, means you will not get full marks, because we need to check if this two numbers goes in any of the tables, and we know that it goes in 7 tables. So if it goes any of the table, we should write only in the simplest form. So it goes in 7 tables, means 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, means y is equal to 3 by 2 will be your final answer for the sum. So 3 by 2 is your final answer. We'll move on to the 11th one. 17 plus 6p is equal to 9. Bring 17 to the other side. So 6p is equal to 9 minus 17. Yeah, 9 minus 17 is, as it is plus and minus, we need to subtract. The subtraction becomes 8, and don't forget to put the greater number sign. Here the greater number is 17, which is minus sign, means we need to put the minus sign. So signs are very important in numbers. So if it is a greater number, we need to put the greater number sign. So here the greater number is minus, means you need to put the minus sign. Now the same way, the multiplied part will come to the divide. So p is equal to minus 8 by 6. So we can cancel. 2 3s are, 2 4s are. So p is equal to minus 4 by 3. So p is equal to minus 4 by 3 is your final answer. Now we'll move on to the 12th one. 12th one, here the question is x by 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 by 15. Bring 1 to the other side. First the number which is in addition subtraction, we need to bring it to the other side. Here x by 3 is equal to 7 by 15 minus 1. If it is by 1, we need to take LCM. Taking LCM for by 1, directly we can multiply these two numbers for taking LCM. Here it becomes x by 3 is equal to 7 minus 5, 15 ones are 15 by 15. Here we can solve it. It becomes x by 3 is equal to minus 8 by 15. Because here addition subtraction we need to subtract with the writing a greater number which is minus here. Now bring the 3 to the other side, it comes as a multiply. It is in divide with x, so it comes as a multiply. Just remember it is in the denominator, it goes in the numerator. So x is equal to minus 8 by 15 into 3. Now we can solve this too. This goes in 3 tables. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. So x is equal to minus 8 by 5 will be your final answer for the 12th sum. So just remember the important parts are if plus goes as minus, minus goes as plus, divide will come as multiply, multiply will come as divide. If there is more than 2 terms which is multiply and addition, first bring the addition to the other side, then the multiply part. So addition subtraction first, then the multiply and divide part. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.